Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix Apex Legends easy anti-cheat error. So when you encounter this problem, the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to Steam, right click on Apex Legends, click Properties, Installed Files, and make sure that you verify the integrity of game files. Basically, if there's missing, corrupted, outdated file on your folder, Steam will try to go ahead and fix it with a new one that's basically allow it to work. Now, if that didn't work, you want to head over to your files. Simply click on your C drive, navigate through the program files .86, click the Easy Anti-Cheat EOS, and basically inside this folder, there's going to be a specific file called the sys or the Easy Anti-Cheat EOS SYS. You then want to go ahead and make sure to just delete this. Now it won't have any problem, but basically after deleting it, you could just head over to Steam, click Properties once again, and then you want to go ahead and verify it normally. This will basically remove the corrupted the easy anti-cheat error application or file, and then it will be go ahead and fixed. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.